Hello everybody, welcome to Tamilchef. Hope you're all doing good. In this video, we're gonna see the Paneer Makhanwala recipe using basic makhani gravy. For basic makhani gravy, you can find the recipe link in the description or in the I button. Even you can check out my last video, which was the basic makhani gravy. So let's get started making the Paneer Makhanwala recipe. Starting with the Kasoori Methi, use a pan to dry roast the Kasoori Methi. Just roast it for 2 to 3 minutes, check whether it is crisp enough and keep it aside. Then we'll start with the butter because we'll use a lot of butter in this recipe. Add 40 grams of butter and melt it for a couple of minutes. Then we'll add the ginger garlic paste and we are going to cook the ginger garlic paste in the butter. Add quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and turn your flame into low. In the low flame, cook the butter for several minutes until the butter and the ginger garlic paste get caramelized. Now we can add the basic makhani gravy. This is around 300 to 400 grams. The yield which we got from the last video preparation. You can check the link, the ratio, the ingredients quantity are same. When you prepare using our recipe, you can get the exact quantity of the yield. Now cook the gravy for 2 to 5 minutes in low flame until the fat and the gravy nicely emulsifies. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. Then you can add the Kasoori Methi which we toasted and keep it. This is around a tablespoon of Kasoori Methi we have dry roasted. Using your bare hands, crush it nicely so that we can enhance the best aroma from it. Combine and mix well and cook the gravy for 2 to 3 minutes. In the entire recipe preparation, we don't require any water to be added to the gravy because it is a rich and creamy gravy. If we maintain the flame low to medium, then we should not require any single drop of water for this preparation. Add half a teaspoon of Garam Masala. After adding Garam Masala, simmer the flame and cook for another 5 minutes. Let the gravy will cook completely until the oil gets separated. Now the gravy is almost cooked. Now we can add the paneer. I am adding 200 grams of paneer cut into small cubes. After adding the paneer, combine the gravy and the paneer and cook for last 2 minutes. Make sure you are maintaining the simmer flame. If you like to make this semi-gravy preparation more richer, you can add another 10 to 15 grams of butter. There is enough butter. If you want even make it smooth and buttery, we can add another 10 to 15 grams of butter to it. Now we can add around 30 ml of fresh cream. After adding fresh cream, you can simmer the flame. No need to cook more than a minute. With its own heat, the cream will be nicely emulsified with the gravy. This is a simple semi-gravy preparation from paneer using our basic makhani gravy recipe. So you can try this recipe and it will be good accompaniment for any rice or any pulao or even any kind of Indian breads as well. Hope you liked my recipe. If you found my recipe is helpful, please do consider subscribing and share with your friends who love to make their paneer at home. I am wishing you a very happy and prosperous new year. This is Chef Naresh signing off. We'll see you again with another recipe. Thank you so much for watching Tamilchef. Have fun cooking.